This is Ches with Forever Buildings. I'm in Pinkstaff, which is just north of Vincennes, at one of our other new buildings that we built in the fall of last year, and I just want to walk you around it and show it to you and show you some different options that we could do for you guys. So we built a 28 by 28 gorgeous building. Actually started this building with two 9 by 8 doors on the front. He wanted one big door, so we changed it to 20 foot wide by 8 feet tall. It's got wainscoting, which is charcoal and ash gray. It's good look together. It's got a regular window, a slider on the side there. It's got a little approach on the front, so we poured an approach there as well. It's got a really nice door. He wanted a window in his door, so we put a window in there. And yeah, we had some electricians come out and do some electric work on this building as well, so we can do any of that stuff for you at any given time. But gorgeous little building, 28 by 28. Call us to set up an appointment at ForeverBuildings.com. Give us a call, let us get you in the building.